How is a Vivaha core to a Dharmic society? Bharat, that is India, is called a Dharmic society. What makes it so? It is common knowledge that people in any society can be naturally categorized into being in one of the four stages of life. Early life focused on studying, skilling, and playing. Youth to middle age of married life, earning a livelihood and enjoying worldly pleasures. Retirement phase of leading a slow-paced life focused on spiritual pursuits. Aged and infirm, unable to live without support, and who have no worldly desires. If this categorization of people is natural in a society, what is so special about the four ashrama model of Bharata society? How does that make Bharata civilization dharmic? While these four categories are common and evolve naturally in any society, a society that practices these four natural stages of living consciously is called a dharmic society. In Bharat, people used to be taught the value of each ashrama and were even invested with threads at each ashrama to keep reminding them of their current stage in life and what it entailed for self, family, society, civilization, and culture as a whole. So, while it is natural for a society to evolve into these four categories, a dharmic society is one where people are conscious of their responsibilities and the value of their contribution to the immediate family and humanity as a whole. They, hence, ensure that they do not stray away from executing those responsibilities to the best of their ability. They thus regulate and refrain from certain acts, that is, have yama, as well as perform their acts with care, consciously and with a conscience, that is, with niyama. This conscious act of responsible living makes a society a dharmic society. For dharma is the cosmic order that results from individual acts and consequences, aggregated over all beings and across all times. In Bharat, people have been encouraged to observe duties of their ashrama sincerely and diligently as part of their dharma. Bharat, by virtue of its millennial value system, tradition, and literature to support them, has been living a dharmic way of living for millennia. It is hence called a land of Sanatana Dharma. Sanatana, because it is ageless, and Sanatana, because it is also ever young. For, as a dharmic society, conscious of the roles and responsibilities and purpose of the same, it keeps constantly adjusting and refreshing its way of living through these roles and responsibilities as it strives to keep up with time, evolution, and cosmic order. A Vivaha and all that it entails in terms of responsibilities born is thus the central pillar that shoulders such a dharmic society.